In case you missed it, OpenAI, the creators and the mind behind ChatGPT, and also the world's best Dota player,
as the ancient will fall, and that is GG, game over. OpenAI taking game 2, taking the series 2-0.
has partnered with NVIDIA, the world's hottest chip manufacturer, in a $100 billion deal, with an initial $10 billion investment, with the rest trickling in afterwards. The whole idea is for OpenAI to use NVIDIA's systems in order to develop their next-gen AI infrastructure. The way they're going to do this is by building 10 gigawatts of data centers, which, if you're unfamiliar, is equal to about 10 power plants. Or in other words, enough power to supply all of New York City. Now, while this all sounds fine and dandy, the issue is that NVIDIA isn't the one with the data centers. It turns out that Oracle, the third party, and now whose founder is now the richest person in the world, has committed to spending $300 billion on cloud storage over 5 years, starting in 2027. So you have now these three players. You have OpenAI that wants to build this new, big, improved AI systems for ChatGPT and everything else. They need that cloud storage, which they're going to get from Oracle. So they're going to pay Oracle $300 billion. But Oracle is now going to pay NVIDIA in order to build those data centers that NVIDIA needs to build their chips and to build their plants so that they can partner with OpenAI. And now that they have that money, now NVIDIA can now pay OpenAI. And now it's a self-fulfilling prophecy where everybody wins. However, the $300 billion to Oracle does not include more people, more infrastructure, more everything that now Oracle has to pay. Now the $300 billion paid to NVIDIA is now taken a little bit from Oracle, right? They no longer have $300 billion from OpenAI because they had to pay those people. They had to pay that infrastructure, or they're going to have to in the future. And now you can see where this is going to become an issue, because now, and you have Jensen banking on the fact that AI is the future and backing OpenAI here. So it seems like everybody's winning, but given the larger infrastructure, given the data centers that they're going to have to build, given the amount of power that is going to be needed to power the data centers, right? The equivalent of a New York City, something is being lost. So now it seems like everybody's losing money. So what is the reason that Oracle is now investing into NVIDIA? NVIDIA is investing into OpenAI. And the reason they can do that, and the reason specifically NVIDIA and Oracle can do that, is because of investors and because of Wall Street. Oracle stock, a day after the news hit about OpenAI putting $300 billion into them, rose almost 25%. NVIDIA has continually risen since 2023, but even the past month with this news has jumped up. This news hit on September 22nd. If you take a look, their stock was 176. Right now, it's already at 188, and it's going to continue to rise, just like it has been for the past 6 months to a year, right? It hit a low point in April, and it's just going to continue to rise, which is why this never-ending cycle can only end if one of them runs out of money. So to bring this all around, we have these three companies that are continually making money off each other. And eventually, there's going to have to be a tipping point. Something is going to have to break, or else we're going to have these three companies run the world even more than they already do. It seems like one of these three companies is definitely going to get the short end of the deal. And when that happens,